guys, and welcome back to my channel. In this video I want to share with you my fall meal prep. So I like to use a lot of seasonal fruits and vegetables, so this depends on each season. For this season I use asparagus and cruciferous veggies, so broccoli, bok choy, cauliflowers, Brussels sprouts. And I like to meal prep on a Sunday. So on a Saturday I go and buy all the stuff that we need, and on Sunday I just sit down and prep everything. So I like to put all the vegetables that bake at the same time on a tray together and spice them with the same spices. So for this week, I put my Brussels sprouts, the broccoli and asparagus on a tray. I preheated the oven to 425 degrees and I just oiled my pan well with olive oil, but I'm trying to use more coconut oil because olive oil burns easily on a high temperature. And then I chop some garlic and put them on the oil just to add more flavor. And I lay all my vegetables flat on the tray so that they crisp well and they take the same time to cook. For my Brussels sprouts, I actually cut them in half and I lay the flat side on the pan so that they crisp from the outside and they are more like creamy from the inside. And I like to put them in a Tupperware and in the fridge, so they go well with any lunch that you want or dinner, or I even snack on them because they are delicious. For my next vegetable tray, I started peeling potatoes and cutting them in cubes. And I peeled and cut some carrots as well. And I did the same thing, so I added spices, garlic and olive oil, and I put them in the oven. They crisp and they are so yummy. I even like them more than actual fries. For some protein, I boiled some eggs that I can snack on, or I can have an egg salad or anything like that. And another healthy carbs would be some rice. This time I put white rice, but I'm gonna try to use more like mixed rice and wild rice in the future. I don't know if I'm gonna like it, but I'm gonna try that for more healthy purposes. I also keep some broccoli crunchy so that I can snack on or that I can stir fry. The next thing that I did is caramelized some onions. So it's very easy, you just fry them in a pan and add some water so that it caramelizes. I also prepared some fruits, so I washed and prepare the grapes and put them in a container so they are easy to snack on. And finally, I made pan-fried salmon as the main protein for the week. So this way I can mix and match everything, and I have so many meals that I don't get bored of. And lastly, I like to put everything in the fridge in containers so that they are easily accessible and they look neat. So that is it for this video. I really hope you enjoyed. I enjoyed meal prepping. This was my first time doing the real meal prep, and I think I'm gonna do it for every week or every other week to add more spontaneity in between. If you like this video, then give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. May you have a clutter-free life.